Fill spares. This tool is used to fill gaps in your equipment schedule with spare number families. It can be used in conjunction with the number equipment tool. By clicking on the same tag multiple times, you can purposefully leave gaps in your numbering to later be filled with spare number families. Before we begin, I want to quickly bounce into the settings to briefly go over the spare number settings. On the left side, the bottom tab is spare numbers. Here you can set your spare number family. You can specify a work set to place your spare numbers on. You can set your numbering style for the Fill Spares tool. And you can specify the location where you want spare numbers to be placed. You can also set the offset height for all new spare numbers that are created. The first step in the spare numbers process is clicking this Fill Spares tool. The window that appears will give you a list of numbers. These are the gaps in your equipment schedule. All of the checkboxes will be filled with spare number families when you press Proceed. You can use the filter at the top to filter these numbers by a certain value. By typing in 6, it'll only show numbers that contain the number 6. This can also be used with prefixes and suffixes to filter this list down. We will create spare numbers for all of these numbers. Click Proceed. Now if you go and take a look at your equipment schedule, you will see all of the spare numbers that have been created. And your equipment schedule will no longer have any gaps in it. The next tool in our food service design process is Add Electrical Rough-ins, or Add Electrical Connection Points.